Hey guys, I was just driving home and I wanted to do a New Year's vlog, so we're gonna keep this super short, but I was just thinking of some things that are super easy changes that I make every year, and I just wanted to pass it along because these are big things for me that really help me get back on track, and a lot of people wouldn't think of them. And in the wild, wild world of many, many options, it is easy to get overwhelmed. So I just wanted to share with you some very, very easy things that I do to get back on track when I'm starting in January, beyond just working out and eating really healthy. Okay, so number one, I always try to drink 3 liters of water a day. This is a non-negotiable. I get up, I drink a glass of water. I'm always drinking water throughout the day. It is just a priority for me. I feel better when I'm doing this. A great way to tell if you're properly hydrated is just whether or not your pee is clear or yellow. So just go by that. But a glass of water with every meal, and a glass of water when you first get up in the morning. Carry a water bottle throughout the day, and you will be surprised how much hydration makes a big deal in your overall health, okay? Number 2 is I drink a lot of herbal tea. So I always drink coffee in the morning, but you know, in the holidays, you're drinking lots and lots of different kinds of beverages that you maybe wouldn't drink, and a lot of alcohol. So I find with that, you get in this habit of drinking all the time, and so it's really hard to just stop that habit entirely. So, you know, at night when you're craving a glass of wine, I will always make a cup of tea, and it fulfills that need to have something, but it isn't alcohol, and you're gonna sleep way better. And that is a pro for everybody. The third thing I do, the last thing, is I always take magnesium, but if I've been off track because I've been away or I didn't take it with me, I try to take 1 magnesium capsule every single night. I've found that this makes a big difference with my sleep, and I've been doing it for a couple years now, and just 1 magnesium capsule before I go to bed, and I guarantee that I have deeper sleeps and my whole day the next day is better. I make better choices, and that's a wrap, team. So those are my 3 things I do, and there's obviously a lot more, but I just wanted to make this a really quick vlog. I also am just really getting used to doing YouTube, so I need to just make this less of a thing and just be able to come on here and talk about stuff. So here we are. If you want to see more of my tips, or if you're liking what I'm posting, feel free to comment below and subscribe, and have a good day, guys.